really hard to use.
Shit! I left my beer in there!
Oh, beer! Fucking hell.
It was your kitchen that set the alarm off.
How do you know?
It was that kitchen that set it off, wasn't it?
But I did. I don't know.
No, it wasn't. Oh.
There was no smoke in our
There was no
kitchen.
smoke. There was nothing.
Oh.
Nobody was even cooking.
I finished
Oh
my
no,
cooking.
that's my lighter inside.
It's so good. You wanna say something?
Hello, how are you?
Ah, I'm a bit
Happy
smart.
fire alarm night.
Oh, same to you.
Really quiet though. We're a little rave.
Is this you again?
I don't think so, because there was no smoke.
There was nothing.
There was no smoke.
I'm going to move it. It
last
smells
time.
burning. The fire brigade run it over.
Wait a minute. You're smiling. Cool.
It's smelling because I know it's having to be outside. Last time it was something to go.
I'm sorry, must be cold, because I'm really cold. I got it in my jacket now. Actually, Tom, where's my jumper and my stuff?
Oh, I left that inside. I was too busy grabbing the beer.
Oh, hang on, where's your bags? Bags are inside.
Yeah, okay. Maybe I saw you and I phoned Tom. I waited over 2 hours and he never come. I come back here to find him in bed.
Can you hold that, please?
Hey, Peter!
Now next 1 minute.
Because if you go back inside and get...
Yeah, and you will get fired.
You are. Go buy your own if you've got a fucking habit.
Yeah, but I don't want my habit to
Children!
evolve.
Children!
Yeah, well, I'm
Chris,
not paying for your
be
habit.
appropriate! 2 fingers!
Oh, you managed to get your beer.
I grabbed the beer, the books, everything.
I forgot to grab my beer! I'm getting there. Arms go. Shoes on. Right. Keys.
What?
I'm off it.
I went and emptied out the ashtray because we would have got shafted if that had been there.
Fan the fire.
Ghetto blaster now.
It's been 2 minutes 40 seconds.
Oh, you're timing him.
Yeah.
Tell me how long it takes to go. The way you go and what you do, always take your beer with you.
Yeah, I really wish you told me that about half an hour ago. My beer's set right fucking there.
I'm shivering. I've been here for like 5 minutes.
I know, I'm going back inside.
The fire
Apparently
service is
there's a massive
really
fine if you go back inside.
Good.
When the fire alarm's still going off, apparently you'll get fined.
We?
Yeah, that's why I took the beer with me, because we might be out here a while.
God, I wish I'd thought of that.
Plus I thought it might burn down and like my important possessions.
No, my important possessions are what's in there, the television.
My
and the
laptop.
I know I'm sitting on the fucking internet, right?
I am so smart.
You filming this?
I am so smart.
Fuck off.
I broke my wrist.
Fuck off, it's cold.
Right now, that'll be well pleased. I'm well happy.
Drink.
The best thing I could have brought. You're still going to drop it when you arrive though. Yeah, I know.
I'll just wait.
It's fucking cold.
Hey!
Ooh.
Right, let's get out of the way.
No. Oh, what's going on?
I bet they come here more than anywhere else. Bet you.
I want my fucking beer.
Woo, it's fucking cold.
No! I just want my fucking beer. I think I'm turning to red. Oh.
The storm.
Go on, Chris. Drop it.
I might put a song on, The Roof is on Fire. The roof is on fire.
Say hello to camera. Yeah, hello. Everybody get inside the ambulance. Oh, they have come. Hello, Maria.
Hello.
How are you?
Christmas cookies. My
So-
first Christmas cookie.
Oh.
Criminal.
more than 6 minutes.
I wish you told me that half an hour ago.
That's like, get out home.
I didn't fancy Chelsea.
I've got too much to grab at once.
It's not difficult to find the
Woo! Right, hold on, let's go. Are you still
There is no
filming all
fire.
this?
There is no fire. Don't worry.
It's his fault. Run?
Had a fire go where it's doing?
No, it isn't. Look, they've gone into the left, flat on the left.
But they will probably go.
No,
It was not enough flat.
no. But it is illegal to wedge a fire door open. So I'd rather they didn't walk in there now. Next time we have a fire, we remember to take...
Shit, shit, and double shit.
They're gonna find us?
No, we'll be alright. They'll warn us. Yeah, I know.
Fuck off!
Ah, no.
Drink! Fuck off, I'm going to nick a camera and sell it for drink.
Oh, another one.
And the third one will always be late.
Look at him.
Next week they'll send that one guy on a push bike to turn the alarm off.
Okay, say bye to camera. Say bye.
Fuck off, Uncle Fucker. I got a
Hi, I'm so smart.
Say bye.
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 Which is